If you think grooming is just shower, shave, and leave, trust me, you're missing out on half the tools that make you look cleaner, sharper, and just straight up more put together. Today, I'm showing you the grooming gadgets every man needs in 2026, and whether you're upgrading your routine or finally getting rid of that 5-year-old trimmer that sounds like a dying chainsaw. Let's get into it. Before we start, all the products I'm about to show you are linked in the description. Check them out for the latest prices and deals. Let's kick things off. When it comes to cleaning up your nose and ear hair, the MANSCAPED Weed Whacker 2.0 is honestly one of the easiest upgrades you can make. The first thing you'll notice is how smooth this thing feels. No tugging, no pinching. None of that watery-eyed pain older trimmers give you. It runs on a 7,000 RPM motor, which sounds intense, but it's actually what keeps the trimming consistent. You can use it wet or dry, so if you're someone who trims right after a shower, it works perfectly. The stainless steel replaceable blade stays sharp longer, and cleaning it takes literally 10 seconds. Pop it off, rinse, done. The battery life is solid too. I charged it once and forgot about it for almost a week. If you want something low maintenance but high precision, this is it. And wait till you see the next tool. It's a game changer for your beard lineup. If you've ever wanted your beard to look like you walked right out of a barbershop, the Aberlite ClearShaper 3.0 is ridiculously helpful. The clear design lets you see exactly where your beard line is, which sounds simple but makes a massive difference compared to the old opaque templates. This version also comes with 2 barber pencils, and if you've never used one, it helps you mark the exact shape you want before you trim or shave. You basically outline your perfect beard line, apply the tool, and boom. Clean edges that don't rely on guesswork. Whether you're doing a cheek line, neckline, goatee, or sharp jawline, this tool keeps things consistent. Honestly, if you've been struggling to get symmetry, this is the secret weapon. Next up is something every beard guy should have in the bathroom cabinet. If you haven't upgraded your toothbrush since college, the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush will feel like a luxury upgrade. It runs at 40,000 vibrations per minute, which sounds wild, but it actually gives a cleaner, more polished feel after brushing. It comes with 8 brush heads and a travel case, so you're set for over a year. The 4 brushing modes are super useful: clean, soft, whitening, and massage. And the built-in smart timer makes sure you're brushing long enough without overdoing it. The wireless charging looks sleek on the counter, and the ADA acceptance basically means it's been tested and approved. After using this, those budget toothbrushes will feel like toys, but there's one last grooming gadget that will completely change your hair routine. The Isner Mild Beard Grooming Kit is basically your one-stop shop if you want your beard to look softer, fuller, and just better overall. Inside the kit, you're getting beard wash, oil, balm, a wooden comb, a boar bristle brush, and even a straight razor. The beard wash is gentle but effective. It doesn't strip natural oils the way normal shampoo does. The beard oil smells great and keeps your beard from feeling dry or itchy. The balm helps with shaping, especially if you have stubborn beard hair that loves to curl in random directions. The comb and brush help distribute everything evenly while smoothing things out. And the razor? Perfect for defining your cheek and necklines. And it's up if you're gifting someone or treating yourself, this set covers everything. But grooming doesn't stop at the beard. Let's talk about your smile. When it comes to styling your hair quickly, the TYMO hair straightener brush is one of the easiest tools to use. It heats up in about 20 seconds and has 5 temperature settings, so whether you have fine hair or thick, stubborn hair, you can tailor it to your needs. The brush design means you don't have to clamp like a flat iron. You just brush through and it straightens evenly. It's dual voltage too, so if you travel internationally, this is a great companion. If your hair gets puffy, frizzy, or just does whatever it wants in the morning, this tool smooths it out in minutes. It's not just for long hair. Even medium-length men's hairstyles benefit from it. Clean, neat, and polished without spending 15 minutes in front of the mirror. And that wraps up the grooming gadgets every man should have in 2026. Whether you're cleaning up your beard, leveling up your hair, or sharpening your daily routine, these tools make a huge difference. All the product links are in the description, so check them out for updated prices and deals. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know. Which grooming gadget do you think every guy should own? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.